my ingredients: 4 eggs, sugar, milk, flour, oil, vinegar, vanilla, and salt. Now let's start to measure all the ingredients. Hi guys, now let's separate the egg yolk and egg white. I'm using my hand to separate egg yolk and egg white. It is. Two. My hands are clean, so don't worry. Last one. Be careful, the egg yolk will break, or else you cannot make it perfect. That's it. That's the way I separate egg white to egg yolk. Hi guys, this is the 4 egg yolks. Now we can add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use this, or you can use like that. Mix until pale and yellow fluffy. And then you can add, you can still use this one, this measuring 1/4 cup of oil. Any kind of oil you want to use. 1/4 cup of oil. And then next is 1/3 cup of milk. And vanilla flavor. You can use the vanilla flavor. You can use 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And all you need to do is just whisk. Whisk. And next step, add 1 cup of flour, any flour. Now use the sieve. Because I need to do it now. If you want to do it before mixing everything, it also can. And next is mix. But before that, we can add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So those are the ingredients for the egg yolk mixture. Now just mix until well combined. See that? Everything is well combined now. So easy. See, now it's ready. Egg yolk mixture is ready. Now we will set aside this and we will make the egg white mixture. Hi guys, I'm going to make the egg white mixture. This is the 4 egg white. Now start can see, we can add the vinegar. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now continue. Next step, you can add 1/3 cup of sugar. You're sure that egg white mixture is done when you can put up and then cannot, it won't drop it. So that's good. Next step, guys, is you can scoop some of the egg white to add into the egg mixture. Just fold it like this. Fold it in a circular motion like that. And next step, you can just pour everything here and then slowly fold it. Now time to fold slowly until everything will combine. See the color? White and yellow become pale yellow. See? Continue mixing until everything will combine. See? Wow, that's perfect. Don't over mix or over fold the mixture. See that? Now it's ready. You need to transfer now into the pan. You can use non-stick pan. Okay, that's it. Next step, guys, is just to pour your mixture into this baking pan, round pan. Pour everything. And let's see later if this is really perfect. We will bake this at temperature 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes only. You can check when it's 35 minutes. That's my snow cheesecake, or I called it cotton soft snow cheesecake. One more thing to do is shake it. Shake for a little bit. And that's it. Ready to bake. After 40 minutes, this is the outcome. And see, it's really nice color on top for 40 minutes. But if you don't like very golden brown, 35 minutes is okay. See, very clear. That's what I like. The color is very nice. Hi guys, ito na ang snow cheesecake. Wow, see the color? Very nice. Now I show you how to put the icing or the frosting on top. I have frosting here that I made before, and next time I'll show you how to make a cream cheese frosting. I'll just show you how to put the frosting on the cake. This frosting I make is really good. It's not really sweet and not that very sweet. It's really good. Just put some icing on top. And then add spread on the side, because I want to cover my cake with this frosting. I'm not that expert yet, but I'm trying my best. Until you finish the whole side. Now guys, I spread all the frosting on the side and top. This is too like this. And next step, we can add something on top. It's cheese, and put some cheese on top. So very simple. Next step guys, you need a grater like this and a cheese. Just grate the cheese and put on top like that. Cheese on top. You can use half of this cheese. See that? Nice. All you need to do is make a style. Spread it. Spread like that. Like a raining cheese. Raining cheese on top of the cake. So I call this cotton soft snow cheesecake. See? That's very simple guys. I can just put some fruits on top, just a few. See, that's my cake, simple cake, and I have raspberry here. You can just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's simple, like that. Simple style. Or any fruits you want to put on top is okay. But for me, I choose the raspberry. See, that's my cake. Thanks for watching, guys.